In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can turn off the data execution prevention or the DEP for particular programs on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type performance. Now you'll find this option adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on that. In the Performance Options window, you'll find the Data Execution Prevention or the DEP. Click on that. Now select the second option, turn on DEP for all programs and services except those I select. So simply click on add and simply browse for the location of the program that you want to turn off the data execution prevention. Okay, once you have selected that program, just simply click on open and that will be added from here. So you just need to simply click on apply and click on OK. And as easy as that, you can turn off the data execution prevention for that particular program. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.